This is from Berlin, Germany. This is also a sponsored product. So we will go on unpacking. So one, two, three, and four. So let's open it. I think this is the phone bag. Yeah, it is. It has extra nice dust bag. Born to be nice. Brenice. That's a nice name. Then, this is a bag. Oh, looks very nice. Wow. Wow. This is very nice. It has two parts and you can put your phone here. Very spacious. You can put your IDs, your bank cards. The sling of the bag. It has also like this. This is very nice. The design is for cat lover. Wow. So let's put on the sling. They also have many more designs on their website. So kindly check their website and you can find more beautiful things in there. You can adjust here if it's too long. Bought a new house, promised you heaven, but it never did work out. Got a new job, Brazil. So this is the second item that we're going to open. I love the plastic bag that they used. It has zipper and it is nice because you can use this again. And this is ready for summer, a summer wear. Wow, it has, you can adjust here if you want. So stylish. Garterized. It is cotton. It is good for summer. So stylish. You can wear it like this or without. And the front is characterized with pocket, and that's the design. It's cotton. You can wear it like in two ways, like this one, or just simply like this. It's very nice. And at the back, it's just simple for summer or for spring. I love it. If you have any question, please contact us. Grace your life. Gracila. I like it, guys. So I will try this on. And the next is this one. This is a jumpsuit. The color is green or gray. I don't know what's the color of this. It's just the same. It's cotton, guys. Cotton, cotton. Oh, this is very beautiful. I love it. But I think this is very good for me. There's a pocket here, two pockets. Let's see if it's fit for me.
표정들을 지을까 이 편지를 받을 즈음에 넌 상상해보는 너의 얼굴 빨리 보고 싶어 난 사랑해 좋아해 촌스럽지만 이렇게 고백해 멋은 없어도 나 지금 진지해 장난 아닌데 유치해 미안해 하지만 내 맘 꾸며진 말들보다 더욱 소중한데 서툰 고백이지만 받아줘 Cause you are my baby You are my baby
The last one is this. This is a winter jacket. Has food, and this is very nice. I love the inside material. This is good for winter, and this this is size XL. Oh my gosh. I hope this is not so big for me. I love the print. Actually, you can wear this during spring, winter, and autumn. And the inner material is really warm and soft, which I love it. Newchic is an online global website which offers many types of fashion items. Guys, don't forget to visit the description box and you can find there the website and the coupon code to get 20% discount or 25% discount. Thank you so much, Newchic. God bless. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, everyone.